I'm actually just staying here now to make this intro. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're most definitely welcome. So I'm actually going for a solo date. This date has been postponed for a very long time. I was supposed to go to this thing earlier than today, but I don't know. Because I'm a very shy person, I'm very shy of going out alone. But today I told myself not anymore. I've been craving ice cream for the longest. Like it remains small, very, very small. I'll start seeing ice creams in my dream. My husband is not the type that likes ice cream, so anything that has to do with ice cream, count him out. And then I've been thinking my friends are going to come with me to have this, for us to go to the ice cream date together. Apparently, they're also very busy. When I'm off duty is not when they are off duty. When they are off duty is not when I am off duty, so it's kind of challenging. But today I told myself that no matter what, I'm going on this ice cream date alone. So I'm going to one of my favorite places. If you are in Owerri, I'm just giving you this one for free. There are two major places you can get good ice creams. Maybe there are more, but these ones are the top two. One is Tasty Flavor, two is Ice Groovy. So Tasty Flavor used to be my number one, but it used to be my number one because they sell very creamy ice cream, very nice, very large, very tasty, very sweet. But ever since Okwayemi went there, Okwayemi, for people that don't know, he calls himself the number one food critic in Nigeria. So ever since he came to Owerri and he visited that Tasty Flavor, that their ice cream spots, they started having high demand. They started having lots of customers. High demand, which is very normal. But the part that is not good now is that the quality of the ice cream has actually dropped. So before we used to get very creamy ice cream, but now the quality, the taste is not what it used to be. And I'm not a fan of that, so I am not going to that place today. So I want to go back to my Ice Groovy. Ice Groovy used to be my second. But since I have gone to Tasty and it did not taste, I'm going back to Ice Groovy, and I'm hoping that they meet up my expectations today. I'm also hoping they have small chops because I've been craving small chops too. So I'm also hoping they have small chops, and then I'm going to pair that up with my ice cream or cake or small chops. That's just what is on my mind now. So I'm all dressed. This was not what I was supposed to be wearing, but I think this one is more comfortable. I threw on this red turban. I'm wearing this shirt. Let me show you my leg. I'm wearing these crazy pants that I definitely love, and I'm wearing these red clippers that matches my top, turban, and my legs. My husband is not even around. My husband went for a burial ceremony, so I want to quickly go before he comes back. So let's go. And yeah. Your head doing what?
Cherry on me with some meat. I'm on my way for that thing, I don't see it.
Which thing? Drasky! Yes, ma'am. Let me go, my chicky. Is it good?
You will want it, I mean.
Or fire?
I almost bought it though.
Jesus.
What's it called? Why does
Wait. Give me the cup with my bag. I don't know if they come out. Exactly how it should be played.
it.